What's up guys, and it's that time again. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 based on the official CAD via on leaks. Every year this happens, and based on the previous track record, this pretty much looks like the final deal. So the Note 10 in full glory. We have the back as well as the front look leaked here. We've got an all new design, something entirely different from what we have seen with the Galaxy S10 family. For the first time, we have a centered hole design on a Galaxy smartphone. So we have seen the hole on the right on the S10 family, we have seen it on the left on the Galaxy 8s, but with the Galaxy Note 10 we have it in the middle, and seems like it is a little bit smaller than the one we have seen on the S10 family, and it's only a single hole. It's been said that there will be no pill-shaped hole coming to the Note 10 or the Note 10 Pro model. Both phones will have just one single middle hole, which will be smaller in size as well compared to the S10 family. Now this is a symmetrical design. We have the top bezel as well as the bottom bezel evened out, so there is no inconsistency like we have seen with the S10's design a little bit. So it's all evened out, and the edge of the Galaxy Note 10 model, as Ice Universe has said before, it is a little bit aggressive compared to the S10 family. It's edging out more, pretty much just giving us a side display, very minimal side bezel. Now what you're looking at is the Galaxy Note 10 model. It is said to have a 6.3-inch display, whereas the Note 10 Pro, that has yet to be leaked, will have a 6.7-inch display. This model can be called as Note 10e. We're not sure about the name, but this is said to be the affordable or the entry Note 10 model coming with a 6.3-inch display. It will be a high-quality dynamic AMOLED panel with HDR10 Plus Sport. It's going to be super high quality. Now perhaps the biggest change on the Galaxy Note 10 model comes in the form of killing the headphone jack. Yes, Samsung is officially killing the 3.5mm headphone jack that they have kept for so long. I mean, I have been noticing the news in the past few days, and I was waiting for the official confirmation, and this is pretty much it. Samsung is indeed killing off the headphone jack, and honestly at this point they have my respect. They kept the headphone jack longer than any other company out there, along with LG of course. Now in 2019, in late 2019, it feels like the right decision to make. So not only the headphone jack, Samsung is also killing the Bixby button. I am a little bit sad about the headphone jack, but I'm definitely happy about the killing of the Bixby key. We just have the volume rocker and the power key on the sides of this phone. On the bottom we have the Type-C port, the S Pen, and of course the speaker, whereas the secondary stereo speaker system is on the front as well. If you look closely above the whole camera, there is a speaker grill right there. Now when we take a look at the back, we have the all new design here as well. We have triple camera setup in vertical orientation. That is true. Whatever Ice Universe says definitely ends up being true. We have LED flash as well. Now again, this is the Galaxy Note 10 model. The Note 10 Pro is expected to have 4 cameras on the back. With Note 10 Pro, Samsung might kill off everything. It's been mentioned that the Galaxy Note 10 Pro might come with a capacitive or pressure sensitive buttons instead of the normal physical keys that you see on a normal 2019 smartphone, and that might be the ultimate step towards the future, which Samsung is imagining: a buttonless smartphone along with a complete bezel-less display. We still have yet to see what's going to happen with the Galaxy Note 10 Pro model. I'm just going to wait for its official CAD leak as well. Now as far as the internal specifications are concerned, we have Snapdragon 855 chip along with Exynos 9820 inside, similar to the S10 model. RAM variants will go from 8 all the way up to 12 gigs of RAM, Android 9.0 Pie based One UI software, and finally UFS 3.0 storage is coming to the Note models. You're gonna see faster read and write speed compared to the S10 model, and along with that, Samsung is bringing one of the fastest charging solutions on the market, a 45 hours of fast charging. Now, Samsung has announced a charging solution that supports up to 100 watts of fast charging. So in the future we're gonna see even more powerful fast charging solution. We still have to see what Note 10 Pro fast charging support will be. That model might have 55 watts of fast charging. Again, it's all surprise with the Pro variant. I'm really excited for that, but this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The Note 10 Pro will look like the Note 10 in terms of the front look, in terms of the back look, with just an extra camera. It might lose on all the physical keys in favor of a high pressure sensitive capacitive keys, although Ice Universe has explained that something like this has been scrapped and Samsung will just gonna bring in normal Pro variants with normal buttons, but we have yet to see the CAD leak for the Pro model. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna wait for that, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 design, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.